This is the Serenity and Siam 3 Tour Leaders personal item bag. Okay, this is my personal item bag. It's pretty much, either one of my bags could be a personal item because they're both small enough, but this is the one that I wear on my back, and it's got the heavy, it's going to have the heavy stuff in it. So when they weigh my little bag, it'll be cool. So yeah, this is by eBags. I love all the little slots in here. This one down in the bottom is where I keep my sunglasses and usually probably my little GoPro because it's really padded. Two other great organization pockets. Probably put my iPad Pro in there. And has one of these slots so it fits on the handlebar of my under-seater rolling carry-on. So I love this bag. Actually, super excited to use it because it's really padded. Feel very protected with it. So here's some of my stuff. I'll probably wear these shoes on the plane. My feet swell up. Speaking of that, okay, here are my compression socks. I don't wear them for the whole flight, but I wear them for at least 4 hours, and they work great. That in combination with my foot hammock. Okay, let's start in order. All right, so external charger. Love this one, 20 megahertz. This is a headband, sunglasses and eyeglasses, my headphones that go in this package. These are the things I'll need in flight, and it's slash liquid all in one, so I just use that bag for everything that I use in flight. Snack bag. Usually have like something sweet, a little piece of chocolate, and some cashews or something. These are my electronics that I'll need in transit probably. My passport and a pen, my notebook, my travel pillow. I think I'm going to bring that one. This is my iPad mini with all my books and some movies on it. This is what I use to read. And this little pouch is where I put my rings, so when my hands start to get swollen. And this little guy, sometimes on the Asian carriers, you need it for the headphones to fit into the slot. And I just bring it just in case. And then these are both for my phone or my iPad to prop it up. Not sure which one I'm going to bring. This is my phone. This is going to be my phone case. I'm using my phone. And my iPad Pro. And that's it for the personal item bag. And now I'll show you what I have in my small carry-on.